Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at They Hangul. Welcome to a new episode of How Do You Say in Korean. And this time, we're going to study how do you say hello in Korean. There are actually 4 ways to say hello. 안녕하세요, 안녕하십니까, 안녕, and 여보세요. Let's discuss first the standard way of saying hello in Korean. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요 is composed of 5 syllables, namely 안녕하세요. And these 5 are written as shown. And when we say a standard way of saying hello, it means that 안녕하세요 itself is already formal and polite. Therefore, we can use this to say hello to our close ones that are older than us, or we can use this to say hello to strangers. Next is the formal way of saying hello. 안녕하십니까. And this is composed of 6 syllables, namely 안녕하십니까. And these syllables are written as shown. 안녕하십니까 is the formal way of saying hello, and this is more formal than 안녕하세요. Therefore, we can use this to address or to say hello to our corporate bosses or to say hello to those that are in the authorities. Just a reminder, when we spell 하십니까, it would seem like it is pronounced as 하십니까. But in Korea, they pronounce it as 하십니까. Not a P, but an M sound. 하십니까. Another way of saying hello is 안녕, and this is considered an informal way of saying hello. 안녕 is composed of 2 syllables, 안녕, and both are written as shown. And since 안녕 is an informal way of saying hello, we can use this to say hello to people that are younger than us or to our friends that are of the same age as us. The last way of saying hello is 여보세요. The word 여보세요 is composed of 4 syllables, namely 여보세요, and these 4 syllables are written as shown. Unlike the first 3 ways of saying hello, 여보세요 is only used for telephone conversation and not for in-person conversation. Here is the summary of the 4 ways of saying hello. 안녕, 안녕하세요, 안녕하십니까, which are used in person, and 여보세요, which is used on phone. And now, you know how to say hello in Korean. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at They Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Korean words.